Hi everybody, how you doing? My name is Sylvia Pamphile and this is WatchMojo.com. Now, we all know that the content of a woman's closet can vary depending on her style, her occupation, and her body type. If you'd like to achieve wardrobe perfection, you're going to have to get some key pieces. Ça ici, ce sont nos cravates fantaisie. Alors, aussi un motif très amusant. Bon, on va prendre la partie extérieure encore.
Ah, OK, on revient deux fois.
Throw your hands in the air.